Hey everyone, I'm here with the 2022 Subaru Outback, and today I want to find out how many miles that we can put on this car on one tank of fuel. I'm going to use regular 87 octane gas with 10% ethanol, which is kind of the standard here in the upper Midwest of the United States, and you can find that pretty much around most of the US as well. This car has about 22,400 miles on the odometer. Yeah, let's see how many miles it can go. I'm gonna fill it all the way up. It's on a quarter tank right now, and I'll wait 30 seconds and do a top off really quick, and that should put in the full 18.5 gallons that this car can take. I suspect we can get 500 to 550 miles. There is a tailwind of about 15 to 20 miles per hour, which is going to help us out on our little road trip today. So let's see what this thing can do. All right, we're gonna select 87 octane with 10% ethanol. Pretty good gas price. It's about $3.33 a gallon. And let's fill this thing up. All right, as you guys could tell, I put in almost exactly 14 gallons of gas, and I had exactly a quarter tank on this car when I showed up at the fuel station. So that had 4.5 gallons left when we had a quarter tank of fuel. Now we're at a full tank. I did the top off after 30 seconds of waiting after the initial click. Now we're at 640 miles to empty according to the trip computer. And over the last hour of driving, I've gotten about 37.4 MPG with that 15 mile per hour tailwind at about 75 miles an hour. I'm not sure if we'll make it 640 miles on this tank. I got to drive all the way from the middle of Wisconsin all the way to Detroit, Michigan. But let's see how good this fuel economy is on this 2022 Subaru Outback with the 2.5 liter normally aspirated engine. All right, everybody, I made it to Michigan, stayed a few days out in Detroit, and now I'm on my way back. I still haven't filled up since the middle of Wisconsin, and I'm at about 565.5 miles since I last put gas in the car, so it's definitely gone over the 550 miles I thought might be possible, so that's really surprising. I'm at a little bit over 35 MPG that the trip computer says. So now we're gonna head to the gas station, which is about 8 or 9 miles away, fill up the gas tank, do a top off, basically wait about 10 seconds after the first click, have it click one more time, and then I can see exactly how much gas I used since the middle of Wisconsin, and approximately, I think we'll reach about 574 miles on this tank. So here we go. All right, so I just filled up the tank on this car. Got up to about, let's see if we take a look, 17.33 gallons after I clicked it after about 10 more seconds. Let's see, it was about $60 to fill up, 87 octane fuel, top tier with 10% ethanol. Like I said, 17.33 gallons over 570.1 miles. And that equates to 32.9 miles per gallon. So the trip odometer here, trip computer says 35.5 MPG, so that's about a 2.6 MPG overestimation by the trip computer here. Not too surprised by the overestimation, but I am surprised that this car got nearly the 33 MPG in real life that the EPA rates it on the highway. And even though I did have about a 15 mile per hour tailwind, I did not drive this car lightly. Definitely floored it a few times on my way to Michigan from the middle of Wisconsin in the United States, and drove at least at 75 miles per hour pretty much the entire way. I wish the trip computer would say what my average speed was. I'm sure it was over 70 miles an hour, even with traffic and in-city driving. But nonetheless, I'm really impressed with the fuel economy of this car. And again, this is a 2022 Subaru Outback 2.5i Limited with a 2.5 normally aspirated engine. Again, it's rated for 33 MPG on the highway by the EPA, and this car pretty much delivered on that when you have a tailwind. Now, if you don't have a tailwind, you can expect probably closer to 31 miles per gallon, and with a headwind, maybe closer to 30 miles per gallon. So still impressive for a car that weighs nearly 3,800 pounds with all-wheel drive and is very roomy. So very impressed with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Let me know your comments in the section below. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.